Welcome to our third video of garage builds on our go-kart project. After the second video, we sanded it down. We got rid of most of the stickers, which it's still here. It says 18 if you can't see it. This is more, let me just do this, taken off better. Before we had a sticker right here in this area. It's gone now. My dad fixed the wheels so they don't come off as easily now. Still pretty bad though. My dad also adjusted this so it's not in the same area. It could go up and down. Got rid of some bolts. I don't know what he does. Right now, so far, we are working on the engine, which we have recently figured out that it's probably not going to work because it cuts too much into the sitting area, which would go around here, along this line. Oh, jeez, I forgot that was there. So basically, if I was sitting in this, driving, this would probably be about to where my arm is, right here. That would probably not be so fun. So, we're thinking of cleaning off this piece, which was originally from the first engine that actually came with the go-kart, which I showed in the second video. This is part of the exhaust that we took off from engine. And this is my four-wheeler engine. It was about right in here. Anyways, back to the plan. What we're thinking of is cleaning this thing off because there's grease and mold and whatever the heck this stuff is. I don't want to touch it because I don't know what it is. We're thinking of cleaning this off, maybe putting the gear around here. This does spin, but since the wheels are here, it doesn't really. Also, we're thinking of buying another one of these engines. Originally in the second video, my dad mentioned that we needed another one of these wheel joints to go in between here. And my dad ordered one today, and it should come about tomorrow, let's say. But yeah, we're working on this so far. We might need to skip a few days from making a video because this engine problem might take a while. You can actually see that the gears or the chain fits the gears actually pretty good. But it's just if it goes back, it's not gonna really go that fast. I think at least. So yeah, we need to fix the way the engine is. Maybe buy a new one of these and maybe add this. I don't know, because still, if you look closely, all this muck, nasty stuff. Look in here, greasy. Lots of grease in here. Like a hamburger or a Whopper. The greasy is a Whopper. Look in here. Rusty. And there's joints coming out of it, bolts. These are at least clean, which I don't get. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna be working on this for a while. We might not do a video. One thing that we need to very quickly do is get some new tires for the back front. Right now, the most important thing is to get the engine situated because we really don't know how this is gonna work. I'm not a mechanic, my dad is. Right now he's trying to be an electrician, but he knows more about things than I do. Subscribe to our videos, watch the future episodes to see how this car turns out. Bye!